In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multiple hotels on Expedia. If you're planning a trip that involves staying in different locations or simply want to manage several bookings under one account, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account by clicking the Sign In option in the upper corner. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one so you can manage all your bookings in one place. After logging in, you'll be taken to the home page, where you can explore destinations and begin your booking process. Now begin by searching for your first hotel. Enter your destination, travel dates, and any other necessary details into the search fields, then proceed to view the available results. Once the listings appear, choose a hotel that matches your preferences and click on it to open the full details page. Here, you'll be able to review the amenities, pricing, and room options. Scroll down to the room section and select the option you want. Click the Reserve button to move forward. At this stage, you'll be guided to a page where you can choose your payment preference, such as paying now or later, depending on availability. Continue by entering the required booking details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've completed the booking for your first hotel, finalize the reservation by confirming your payment. After that, your booking will be successfully saved under your account. To book additional hotels, simply return to the home page or search again for another destination or property. Repeat the same process by selecting a new hotel, choosing your preferred room, and completing the reservation. Each booking will be handled individually, but all of them will be stored within your account for easy access and management. This approach allows you to organize multiple stays across different locations or dates without any confusion. Just make sure to double-check your travel dates and details for each booking so everything aligns with your plans. And that's all there is to it. By following this process, you can easily book multiple hotels using Expedia and keep everything organized in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.